All right, so here we go. We see we have our cell phone now is in there. So let's create a new version and add our pre-pops. Oh, come on. Okay, save this. Okay, now make sure we have our, there we go. That's the one we want. I'm going to go over here, add, and we're going to just go ahead and do the primary phone too. Why not? Okay, I think you guys already watched me do this once. So we only have two. Oh, we want the user record. And we want the telephone number. Oh boy, sometimes it just takes a while. So I think I'll pause and do the next one. Oh, there we go. Nope, maybe not. Okay, so it finally came back. So let's go ahead and add our cell phone now. Hopefully this one will be a little faster. User definition. I think it was mobile. There we go. Okay, save that, save that, save that, save that. All right. So now we got all our pre-pops. So let's make this version active. Alrighty, so there's the pre-pops. We got our two new versions. So I guess the next step now would be to update all the process form versions and then configure the connector.